Yo, man, what's going on? Y'all already know, man. We back with another video, man. Um, yeah, so I got something to tell y'all about after the intro. Y'all already know how we do it. So, man, ski. Peace.
All the way. Trail on this bitch. I earn my strike like a zebra. My niggas slung like a creature. Yeah, no cowboy sweat with that feature. Yeah, I do this shit for my people. We in 2 different time zones. This an automatic, yeah. Pop out that tree like a pine cone. 30 rounds on the tail, yeah. Don't show no love, I want my life, I ain't tryna get killed. I'ma hold my weight, I'ma stand my ground, that's how I'm built. This ain't no dream, open your eyes. They want your spot, they really hate you, but they use love as a disguise. Don't show no love, how you gon' die?
Alright, y'all, so today's video, man, y'all won't even believe it, bro. I've been going through so much, it's like, just been down, bro. Like, I've been trying to stay happy, try to find happiness and stuff right now. Yeah, go through so much, like, I can't, but y'all won't even believe what been happening, bro. Like, my brother got in an accident, and then I'm trying to get to him the other day, speeding and all that. Car done messed up again. So, I think it's the timing on, what is it called? I think it's the timing chain bracket. So right now we got the tow truck on the way. They about to go get the car, take it to the shop. And yeah, I'm letting them take it. He gonna drop it off at the shop for me. Y'all already know, man. So that's the news right now, man. I got like 3 videos coming with me and my girl. So y'all stay tuned for that. Like I said, I've been down lately, so man, y'all just stay with me, man. Keep on hitting that subscribe button for me. If y'all the real ones, man, keep on supporting. I know I ain't been on the grind lately, but yeah. So we got the tow truck on the way. I got like 3 videos on the way with me and my girl. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. Like I said, man, I turned the camera back. Alright, y'all, so like I said, man, I turned the camera back on because I want to get some more minutes. I mean, I don't want to make this video short because I already have it uploaded, but as y'all can see, I got the car right there. That's a mom dude car. I'm always going to stay in something clean. Don't play with me, man. But yes, sir, the car is messed up. The car is right here. I need to get the stuff I need out of it. I don't know how long he going to have it. I know it ain't nothing to eat. I just cleaned it. I literally just cleaned it, bro. I got my bank statements right here. Mash from the hospital. I throw this inside the trunk. I need my charger. I need my chargers. Damn, I missed my car. I want my car back already. So yes, sir, the car is messed up. I had literally just cleaned it, but hey, get to my brother. He had got in an accident, flying to him. Next morning, I tried to go back up to the hospital. It was just scrubbing bad. Like, matter of fact, I'll turn it on. I don't want to keep cranking it, but yeah, I mean, I'll turn it on one time. So we set the camera right here. Well, y'all can see. See if y'all can't hear. I'm sorry. Alright, man, so for the ones that say that's the oil, it is not, because the oil, I literally just got the oil change. That happened. It still say maxed out, it's good oil in it. It's not because the oil. I changed the, I did try to change the camshaft position sensor by myself. That didn't help it. So I wasted that little $40. I was wondering if it was the adjuster, valve adjuster. It's like a little screw or whatever, got a gasket on it. They say if the middle of it, the circle popped out, then that could be the problem. But my mechanic already looked it up and he said he know the problem. So I'm gonna send it to the shop and that's gonna be it, bro. But what's going on, Robert? So yeah, and that's it. So I'll turn the camera back on when the tow truck get here. Peace. It is nighttime. AAA did not come, so I had to call First Towing in Griffin. Y'all already know, man. Car is leaving, man. Yes, sir. Talk to the dude. I'm sorry to the dude, give him the money. I turn the camera right back on. So I talked to him, man. He said the car way too low, so he's gonna try to see what he can do. You wanna hold the camera for it? Yeah, sir. He said the car way too low. They put TJ car on there, and my car is a little bit higher than TJ. I don't see how they have trouble.
I don't want them to mess nothing up.
We're trying to put it in neutral, just roll it right there?
Yeah, what I was just thinking.
Yeah. All right, y'all, so right now he's trying to get the truck lined up with the car. The car is too low and he can't even fit the truck right there to get in front of the car. He a rookie, man. He don't know what he's doing. I just playing, stop playing. We gotta roll the car over there. So yeah, y'all just, I don't know.
Watch your back feet.
You see good? I'm taking my car, man. Guess I'll see you soon, Ghost. Is that her? Oh. Hold on, when?
Like years ago.
They all first towing?
No, I just remember them
Do you have the pin?
Oh, so I'll go right here?
Yeah, it screws in there.
Yeah, that's in the back of the car. That's right there. Feel it? Yeah. Drop it. clean this trunk out. I was trying to do all this, put all the music in, but I never got back around to it because my amp blew. You remember when I pulled it? You remember we dragged it to the house? It gotta be inside, always inside that pickup truck.
Mm-hmm.
Then we checked in that bedroom. Well, I'll do my cleaning too. No. My mom like to clean her own clean.
You want your hat? You need anything out of here? Oh, I'm gonna get the clean stuff just in case you wanna wash your car. I'll take my car dirty off.
Well, she looking sad. She looking sad. Ghost gonna be back, man. Ghost will be back. Hey, you got it? Why you look?
Yeah.
I've never been there. It's called, I guess they got different units.
Oh, okay, so unit
this shop
four.
is in.
Oh, okay. Oh, unit in. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Don't forget your stuff. Yes, okay. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Are you
Thank
guys
y'all.
going up there?
No, ma'am. He's up there waiting right now.
Oh,
They
okay.
gonna pay for it on good
No,
days.
it's 220.
It's
So-
215.
What, 250? It was
Yeah, it's 215.
You want us to leave the $5 up there with them?
No, y'all, put it in your pocket.
Oh, okay.
It's all right.
Do you want a receipt?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am, please.
Okay, I'm gonna go write it up. Just give me about 2 or 3 minutes to get it rid of.
Okay.
You know it's extra y'all take a picture.
I do. I got a YouTube channel, so I gotta get my footage. Y'all already know, man. First rate tour, man. Dollar Grip. Make sure y'all give them a call. I got AAA, but they quicker than AAA. I had to cancel the AAA. Call them. She dealt with them before. I know my stepdad them. They deal with them. They way faster than AAA. Make sure y'all give them a call if y'all need a tow, man. Hey, my baby finna go. You take care of my baby.
If it comes off now, I'm not stopping.
No, I'm just messing with you. All right, I'll see y'all.
Bye.
All right, thank y'all. All right, y'all. So that's it for the car, man. They take my car. Like I said, I don't know. Sound like the gear or something was messing up. He said it was the camshaft position on the bracket to it. So yeah, that's how it goes, man. I got a lot going on with that. My car got to go. You know I love my car. Make sure everything's tight.
Happen that night, gon' soon come to light. I'm stuck in that life, I gotta get it right. Hopping up all night, man, that's a flight. I done it twice before I done it right.